In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printful to Shopify, a simple guide. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin with the store you want to connect. From your dashboard, head to the Home area so you're starting from a clean slate. Now, open Apps. This is where we'll find and install the Printful integration. Use the search field you see there to look up Printful. Type Printful, then select it from the results. As you move through the next screens, simply follow the on-screen prompts and click the highlighted buttons that guide you to the official Printful listing in the Shopify App Store. If you're redirected or see confirmation pop-ups, just continue by choosing the highlighted option until you land on the Printful Print on Demand app page. Once you're on the app page, click Install. Shopify will show a permissions screen explaining what the app can access in your store, things like managing products, orders, and fulfillment. Take a quick moment to review these. When you're ready, confirm by clicking Install again. Shopify will process the request and connect your store to Printful. If you notice a brief loading or a redirect, that's normal. After the installation completes, return to your Shopify Apps section. You should now see Printful listed among your installed apps. Click the Printful app to open it. On the Printful landing screen inside Shopify, click the button labeled Design and Sell Custom Products with Printful. If you encounter that same button more than once, sometimes it appears across a couple of onboarding screens, just click it each time to proceed until you arrive at the Printful dashboard connected to your Shopify store. From here, you're all set on the connection side. Your Shopify store is linked to Printful, and you can access Printful directly from your Shopify apps whenever you need it. If a page doesn't load or a button doesn't appear right away, a quick refresh usually helps. Also, if you manage multiple Shopify stores, double-check that you completed these steps in the correct one before adding any products. That's it. The connection is complete. You can now confidently move on to creating products and managing them within the Printful app, knowing everything is properly linked to your Shopify store.